In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple videos playing on screen on CapCut. If you want to show 2 or more videos at the same time in one clean layout, CapCut makes this very simple on PC. The key thing to understand is that CapCut uses a vertical track stacking system on the timeline. Once you understand how stacking works, creating a multi-screen picture-in-picture layout becomes quick and easy. Start by looking at the timeline lanes at the bottom of your screen. Take your first video clip and leave it onto track 1. This will act as your main background video. Then take your second video clip and drag it straight down onto track 2, placing it directly above the first clip in the timeline. Because that second clip is stacked on top, CapCut automatically treats it as an overlay. That means it will appear over your main video in the preview window and play at the same time. At this point, you'll probably notice that the top video is completely covering the one underneath. That's normal, and the next step fixes it. Click once on the clip you placed on track 2 so it's selected. Then move to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video menu and the Basic tab, find the Scale slider. Drag that scale value down to 50%. As soon as you do that, look at the preview monitor and you'll see the top clip shrink in size, which reveals the main video beneath it. Now that the overlay video is smaller, you can reposition it wherever you want on the screen. Go to the large preview player in the center, click and hold directly on the smaller overlay video, then drag it to the top right corner, or any area where it won't block important details in your main video. As you move it, CapCut will show alignment guides to help you place it neatly and keep your layout balanced. Those guides are especially useful if you want your picture-in-picture effect to look polished and intentional. Once the smaller clip is in position, press play and both videos will run simultaneously on screen. That's the core workflow. Stack one video above another in the timeline, scale the top clip down and drag it into place inside the preview window, and that's it. You've successfully used multi-track vertical stacking and custom picture-in-picture positioning in CapCut to get multiple videos playing on screen at the same time.